All is well, students. Today we are going to start exercise 5.5. First question from this exercise is, which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? So what is meant by perpendicular lines? When two lines intersect each other, these are two lines, line L and M, and these lines intersect each other and the angle between them is a right angle. Then the lines are said to be intersecting lines. This is line L and this is line M. These are intersecting and making an angle of 90 degree here. So these are called as perpendicular lines. In first question, we have to check whether the adjacent edges or sides of a tabletop are perpendicular lines or not. This is a tabletop here. Now we have to check whether the adjacent edges or adjacent sides of this tabletop are perpendicular lines or not. Now these are adjacent edges or adjacent sides of a tabletop because they are having one common point. So these are adjacent edges. These edges are forming a right angle here. This is an angle of 90 degree. So the adjacent edges of a tabletop form perpendicular lines. Here the answer is perpendicular lines. Now the second question is the lines of a railway track. We have to check whether the lines of a railway track are perpendicular lines or not. This is a railway track here. You can say these are two lines of a railway track, but these are not perpendicular lines because they are not intersecting to each other. So these are parallel lines. So the answer is the lines of a railway track are not perpendicular lines because these are parallel lines. Now third question is the line segments forming the letter L. This is letter L. We have to check whether these two line segments are forming a right angle or not. Means these are perpendicular lines or not. Here clearly you can see that these two lines are forming an angle of 90 degree here. So these are perpendicular lines. The answer of third question is perpendicular lines. In fourth question, we have to check whether the letter V means the lines which forms the letter V are perpendicular lines or not. Here is letter V. Here also you can clearly see that these two lines are intersecting each other, but these lines are not making an angle of 90 degree here. This is acute angle, not 90 degree. So the lines are not perpendicular lines.